15 yung mga katawan namin. And then, that was history, no? And then, umabot ako ng 260 pounds talaga at nakatawa. So, and I'm 5'8", 5'9", 5'10", 5'8". When I was younger, I was taller. For some strange reason, kaya nung sukat ako, 5'8", siguro yung weight na dinala ko for how many years, binaba yung height ko. So, gano'n, 260 pounds ang inabot ko. So, sa amin napakalaki yung bagay na nangyari na ito. No? So, really, essentially, thank you very much for challenging us. And thank you for having us here. Maraming salamat. And we are also the happiest we have worked with a good friend of mine, Mr. Richard Gomez.
So is that what motivated you guys to jump to the challenge? Like knowing that the two of you would be together?
It was fun kasi nag-usap kami ni Aga. The last project we did together, when we were younger, we ginawa tayong movie before, sa Regal.
Sa Regal, 80s yun, man.
80s yun. Oo.
Mga lost days natin kayo. Kasi nag-prime kami, 90s talaga yung prime namin. Yung prime namin, nag-iwanay na kami yan. Parang gano'n ang story na Richard Gomez nga, pero ka tall, dark, and handsome. Yan, di ba? Funky. Ako, yun lang.
Two different brands.
Two different brands.
Yes, two different brands of handsome.
Put them together in one brand.
Yeah, don't you love that? So let's talk a little bit about your fitness motivations. What motivated you guys to keep going? Because how long was that, like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months.
almost 10 months.
So, when the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching informations, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes,
Correct?
that's true.
Yes.
That's
Eating
absolutely
the right
true.
food, doing the proper exercises, keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga eh. Di ba? Gusto namin makita pa namin yung... Gusto ko makita yung mga natin.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's what they say, right? Like, will you... Like, I saw a quote online that said, you will die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them?
Oh, you have to.
Right? Will you live for them?
Tsaka, siguro sa lahat, dalawa ng ka-relate ito ng mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan. It was difficult. Parang all these years, I was always in hiking. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which on top of the weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. Sinabi ko namin, as matter of fact, since I won't be able, sometimes nakakip-stream outside. Ang ganda sa akin ito, kung labas natin din, nakahumad tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's see that for next year.
Lumuhin pa ulit eh. Hindi sa ganun work tayo pag lumabas pa sa isa. Pababa pa lang eh.
Kumukunti na eh.
Oo.
Diba? Tsaka iba rin yung size ng katawan natin. Pero nakakatawa talaga, you guys, sa lahat ng mga tao na sa labas dito, sa loob, there's no deadline. Just gotta do it. You can learn about it, and then, mahirap magtago sa buhay dahil sa katawan natin. Iisipin ko, marami pa rin ito magiging shape sa atin. But, what do you serve it? Pinagayan natin ang katawan natin. But I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi ng goals, di ba? We're getting there.
We're getting
there.
So more than anything, we've always been active. No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
I was very
Yes.
much into cycling. He bikes a lot. I play a lot of badminton. I still do my fencing thing. Except that this was really a challenge to lose more weight. Kasi I reached a point na yun yung mga 36 na pagdalaw, pinatigay ko na eh.
Oh,
Kasi, gusto mo 30, then 40.
Abot kayo, boss.
40 ko. Teka, 40. Buti na dumating sa today. Kasi today, 34 sinusot ko eh.
Diba? Huwag mo lang pansin. Sasabihin ko pa naman, 30 years old yun.
So super bad talaga, diba? What a challenge it was.
Yung super bad na yan, happens every 3 years ba yan? Every 2. Interesting.
Next year.
Next year. Next year ba yan? Next month. Wow. Wait, I lost 50 pounds. What's another 52 years?
Yun.
Super bad. Kumapay ko na yun.
No, you gain it again, pero in muscle naman.
Oh yes! Hindi! Super bad yan. Lalabas ka na rin ko. Yung dami namin katawan. Ganun.
Oh yeah, because
Yun o.
once a super bad, forever a super bad. Yes. Actually, that's where I first met the both of you. At the super bad's judging table.
Super dad mo lang yan. Super dad.
Still, super dad's dead. So speaking of that, how have your families responded to your new fitness journey?
Oh, you know my wife? When she saw me lost weight, sabi niya, please don't gain weight again. Oh. Sabi niya, alam kong gwapo ka. Mas gwapo ka ngayon. Kulang pa yan. Hindi pa naman kasi tunay ka, gwapuhan ka naman. Kaya kung di ba, a little more. But for me, more than looking good, it's really feeling better. Diba? Feeling better, feeling healthier, stronger. Yeah. Then I'm almost 50. I'm almost there.
Almost 50. 44 na ako.
No, but really, I'm over 50. I'm over 50. But one thing I realized at this age, you really have to work out more.
Yes.
You have to get your muscles up. And again, it feels better. It feels stronger.
It does, right? So do you guys have any advice for everyone here watching us now, friends in the media, people taking videos, they'll be posting this as well. What is your advice that helped you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
Sana, I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that, oh, next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, parang ngayon, sinasabi, pa-Christmas na. Sasabihin naman natin, palagay ko ng Christmas, January, I'll start again, di ba? No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, wait.
Tama na yung Christmas, bibigay mo na naman lahat. It's a lifestyle really. So we really changed off the lifestyle. And I'm happy that my wife also was very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while. Talagang binge. So minsan hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin. And she would stop me. Sinasabi niya na, tama na yan, diba? Parang alam mo yung pinanggalingan mo. Huwag ka na bumalik din doon, diba? Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman ako naman, diba? Ang tayo ng bata. Pag nakita mo ulit siya, delikado tayo. Sabi ko, siguro yung asawa namin, gusto nyo ba talaga gumanda yung katawan namin?
Alam mo, yan sinabi ko kay Lucy. Alam mo, sabi ko sa'yo, alam mo Lucy, ang problema nito. Pag nakita mo, gusto na naman ang katawan para. Mamaya, para naman may lalapit sa Basketball.
Bagay sa height.
Basketball, yeah.
Yes. Rowing or fencing?
I love fencing.
Fencing.
I'm the national athlete for 7 years in fencing.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll ask you a little bit about that later during the Q&A.
Yeah.
And we'll get to Aga next. What are your preferences in sports? We have running or cycling?
Cycling.
Cycling. Golf or swimming?
Golf.
Oh, really?
Again?
No, I was gonna say I swim.
Golf and cycling.
Our next category is fruits. So going back to you, Richard. Banana or mango?
Banana.
Bananas. Shake.
Banana shake.
Yes.
More
More
word peanut butter.
Yes.
More calories.
Yes.
Stop it.
How about rambutan or lanzoy?
I love rambutan.
Me
I love it.
Very good. Very good for the summer. And
Pero yung shooting namin, yung shoot namin ng coercion namin, may nagsisimula pa naman ng solis. Bakit sa sako yung inuupo ng solis? Sabi ko, huy, nasa-shoot tayo. Kaya naman, bukas pa ang epekto nito. Ano ito, bukas pa ang epekto nito? Oo nga, no.
okay lang, fruits naman.
Trabuhan, isang sako eh.
What about kiwi or avocado for you?
Avocado.
Avocado. Yes, agree. Watermelon or melon?
Watermelon.
Perfect for the summer then.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I
Sa kain sa bawal. Yeah.
agree. Wait, very disciplined. Good
Diba?
job.
Pag nararamdaman mo at the end of the day, they're all healthy, but you really need to calorie count talaga.
That's true. And I think we have our final category. We have drinks.
Drink.
Drinks naman. Water or orange juice?
Water.
Water. Wine or champagne?
I don't drink alcohol.
Ayun, that's a hidden choice.
I drink wine and lemon.
Wine is good too, yes. Soda or milk tea?
Minty.
Milk tea. Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. And for you, Aga, we have jasmine tea or green tea?
Green tea.
Green tea. I love
Coffee.
Yes. Oh, speaking of ice or hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Ice.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Lumalayo na tayo.
Matcha or prune juice?
Matcha.
Matcha. Fruit shake or sparkling wine?
Sparkling wine.
Parang fruit shake. Oo, kasi pagka sparkling wine, ganda mo talaga ako.
Sige, fruit shake, no sparkling wine.
Ayun.
Saan mo yan?
Sparkling shake.
Sparkling shake. Sparkling shake.
May nasa bakala, last category. We have under the sea. So anything under the sea. Ariel, that's your choice. Okay, I agree. Mackerel or sardines? Mackerel or sardines? Mackerel. Bangus or tilapia? Bangus. Lapu-lapu or maya-maya? Ah. And now, century tuna hot and spicy or flakes in oil?
And spicy.
Spicy. Hot and spicy.
You like that also?
I do.
You like that also?
I do. And if you eat spicy stuff, it's better for the metabolism.
Really?
Apparently.
Let's eat more stuff.
Let's eat more spicy stuff.
Yes.
Oh, next one. Last one.
Wait, congressman.
For Aga, we have
Napawisan na lang ako.
Narinig niya yung congressman. Dahil yun lang. Kasi nag-goma.
Bangus belly or bangus belly?
Bangus belly.
Bangus belly, agree. Galunggong or hasa-hasa?
Galunggong.
Yes, fried, no?
Galunggong, oo. Tsaka yung, meron pa isang galunggong masarap. Yes, maliyo. Kasi, tulingan na tayo. Tulingan. Tulingan galunggong. Ibang na.
Wala ka mali.
Balik na ako. Sorry, hindi ako.
Pero ano, baka paksiw ng pagkain ko.
Paksiw. Paksiw.
Masarap yun.
Paksiw.
Mga sim, di ba?
Sushi or sashimi?
Sashimi. Sushi rin, minsan. Kasi kami kanin na.
Hindi na siya, Nino.
Yeah.
And finally, Century Tuna's flakes in oil or with vitamin C?
Parang tapos pa rin yan. So I'll do flakes in oil. Tapos ako magdalagdag. Pag flakes in oil, hindi ka lang na-see, so okay. But sa plate kasi akin na na-see. Kaya hindi ko ng
Oh, diba?
Madami ko magagawa.
Truly, truly versatile. Well, thank you so much, Richard. And
Thank you. Thank you.
A round of applause. It's food. Get food is always a fun topic, and it's something that you can, have fun with when you are on your health journey. And